Hello everyone. In this class we will look at how to texture map the eyes and the face. You can see that there is an eye texture and then we have added a face and a little bit of red nose and some red cheeks. So let's see how this is done in Maya. So we have reached this level. So I'll select the eye and then go to eye and then we need to assign an image texture. So we need to search for eye and then I've searched for cartoon eye texture and I'm going to use this one for the eyes. I'll first save image as and save the image. I'll say eye new and then I'll open it in Photoshop. Okay, and then I'll select a circular marquee and select the area for the eye. Okay, and then I'll go to select grow, select modify, expand maybe 10 pixels. Okay, then I'll nudge it a little bit and then select modify contract by 2 pixels. Okay, so select inverse and we'll get rid of everything. Okay, so this is good enough and then we'll go to edit, fill, and I'll simply fill it white. Okay, so let us save this, and this is the eye texture that we will assign. So we'll go and assign the eye image texture, call it eye new. Okay, we'll hit the 6th key so you can see the eye. We'll go to UV editor, and you can see this is the eye. And we'll go to create planner. Okay. Then we can move it around. Okay, so I'll delete this one and then I'll simply Control D and use this. Okay, so our eyes are done. Now for the face, what we will do is we'll go to create planner. Okay, and we need to take a screenshot of this, so I will create a screenshot and save the screenshot as face texture. Okay, and then we will paint the area of the nose and the face. Okay, so we can see that this is the nose area and this line is the face area and this can be like the blush area. Okay, so we'll go to Photoshop and then we'll go to file new and I'm going to start a 1K file, so 1024 by 1024 and I'll use like 150 pixel image, and then we'll edit, fill it with a basic skin color. Alright, then we'll go to filter, noise, add noise, and I'll just use an amount of 1 so it gives some roughness. Then I'll open the file that we just saved, which was the face texture. Okay, so Control A, Control C, Control V, and then we'll edit, transform, scale, and try to fit it in this area. Okay, and then I'll reduce the opacity. So now I'll create a new layer and zoom in. So this is where the face is going to come. So I'll select like a dark color of the same skin for my face, and I'm going to use the brush tool, and then you can see that it's a very small brush, and I'll create like a smile. Okay, and then we will use a red color. We will use a slightly bigger brush, then we'll reduce the opacity, and we will put you can see that the nose, the shiny part, is slightly down. So I'll simply click dot here, and this is happening in a new layer. So once you turn it off, you can see that dot, and then we can further increase the size of the brush to say 50, and then we'll further reduce the opacity. I'll put one blush here and one blush here. Okay, and now I feel that my smile is slightly on the other side, so I can simply use the marquee tool and nudge it to place it in the right place. That's it. So I'll go to save as JPEG, and I say skin new, save it. Okay, so that's all, basically a nose and a mouth, and then you can be more artistic about it if you want. Alright, so now object mode, we'll add a bitmap, skin new, and now we need to put it in the right place. So we'll go to UV editor, select the vertices, use the move tool. You can even look at here. To put it in the right place. Okay, that's about it. Okay. So you have the face, the blush on the cheeks, and the eyes. And in the next class, we need to fix this. You can see that the skirt is not very nice and round. So we spend a few minutes fixing this. So basically, you just need to make sure that these vertices look nice here. And then the same thing needs to happen one level up. And it's difficult to see here, so we will go here to select these, then we will deselect the back one. And we need to deselect the last two and then move this in the front. Okay, so this looks much better. So now we are ready to just add the turntable and create the turntable. Okay, so that we will do in the next class. Thank you very much.